Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to download and install DaVinci Resolve 18. So first, just go to your browser. I'll put a link to DaVinci Resolve 18 in the description. Just go to this link, you find it in the description. Just click on this button. So it's going to bring you three options, macOS, Windows or Linux. You have to download one which fits your operating system. So on the other side, you see DaVinci Resolve Studio 18. So this is the paid version. The difference is Studio 18 comes with a neural engine which basically enhances your editing using artificial intelligence. However, Resolve 18 comes with almost all the features except a few features that you have to pay for in the studio. For ordinary users, Resolve 18 is just good. So here you select your operating system. So because I'm on macOS, I'll click on macOS. So once you do that, you see this form where you have to kind of register before you download. So it will ask for your first name here. So just put your first name, your last name. You can leave the company blank because it's not needed, it's optional, but you can put if you have a company. Then here, just put your email address and then your phone number and select your country. And then the city. So once you filled in this information, the information on the right is optional. You really don't need to enter here. So as you finish entering this information, just hit register and download. So once you hit register and download, it's going to come to this window where you have an option to download. So basically it's going to start downloading automatically, but you have an option of also clicking on the link to download. So once you download this, then just double click on it, which will unzip Resolve 18, and to install it, just double click on the DMG or the .exe file in Windows. So this will start the installation process. Okay, so you see, once you start the installation, you have Resolve manual, which is really nice. But here you want to install, so click on install. So here the installation is ready, so we can hit continue and then continue, accept the license. So agree to the license and then, so just hit install here. And then the installation will start. So just give it a few seconds for the installation to complete. Okay, so now that the installation is complete, we can close this. So once the installation is complete, you can open Resolve 18 from your applications on Mac or from the start menu on Windows. So once Resolve opens, now you notice that it will be a little bit different from Resolve 17 if you've used Resolve 17 before. So now you see that there are three different types of projects. So one which are on your local disk, which is your computer or your laptop, whatever you're using. And then there are also projects on your network. So if you're working in a team and you have a local network, so you have those projects in a network. And you also have the cloud. To create a local project, just go to local and go to untitled. So, and now you can do quick editing in cut or edit mode, or you can go to Fusion, color mode, Fairlight, and you can also export your projects. So that's it on how to download and install Resolve 18. If you have any questions, put them in the comment section and I'll respond to all the questions.